Videos about bunker buildings are trending these days, and many creators are making millions of views and earning a lot of money from this type of content. In today's video, I'll show you how to create videos like these. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. First, open the link I've provided in this video's description and copy the prompt from beginning to end. Once you've copied the prompt, head over to Google Flow, select the video model, then choose OmniFlash. You can select the aspect ratio according to your preference. Now paste the prompt and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. As you can see, our video is ready. Now let's watch it together. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.